All right, I'm going to do a little jam in E minor using the stuff we just practiced in the E minor section of the A-Toodz book. This is what you can do with it. I'm going to improvise it all and see what we come up with. So that's kind of what you can do with the E blues scale. I'm just kind of messing around. I noticed I used one riff a few times in there. Sorry about that. Just kind of came out my fingers. That's part of my vocabulary, I guess. You can develop your own vocabulary, or you can get the book and try and develop vocabulary with the riffs that I teach that I think fall easily on the fiddle and the violin. The blues is a staple for all rock and blues, even the beginnings of jazz. It's half of bluegrass. It's mountain music mixed with blues. It's everything. If you can't play the blues, if you want to know modern stuff that's not just classical, you're nowhere if you can't do the bluesy stuff. So if you want to get the book, that's the short version. We go over measure by measure and practice through the different things. I'll play a riff and you repeat it back, that kind of stuff. So I'll teach you the stuff, the non-classical, cool stuff. So, amen, and we'll talk to you soon.